Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. Picture this, it is Friday night, you are prepping for a big backyard bash, and instead of hauling heavy bags of ice from the store or waiting hours for your old machine to trickle out a few cubes, you slide open a sleek stainless steel door under your counter, and a fresh batch of clear, bullet-shaped ice drops into the bin every 8 minutes, up to 100 pounds a day, auto-cleaned, no plumbing nightmare, ready for your coolers or cocktails. That is not a fantasy. That is the EUHOMY commercial under counter ice maker, turning your kitchen into an ice empire. Slice. If you are over slow leaky countertop clunkers or pricey bagged runs, stick around because this freestanding stainless beast might just be the chill upgrade your home has been craving. And yes, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost. Let us get cool. First, let us break down the features that make the EUHOMY commercial under counter a total ice titan. This is not your basic home unit. It is built for serious output in a freestanding design that fits under counters at 33.5 inches tall, 14.9 wide, and 18.7 deep, weighing 65 pounds for stability without bulk. The Drainless recirculating system is the hero. No plumbing hookups. It pulls from a 2-gallon reservoir you fill via pitcher, recycling water for up to 100 pounds of ice daily, producing 9 bullet or cube nuggets every 8 to 15 minutes with a simple size toggle. Touch controls glow with icons for power, small, large, and self-clean, plus LED alerts for water low or bin full, intuitive for quick grabs. The stainless steel built in silver or black has a reversible door for left or right swing, fitting standard 34-inch spaces, and it runs on 110 volts at 350 watts for quiet operation under 50 decibels. Includes an ice scoop and basket with a viewing window to check levels without opening. Self-clean cycle flushes in 10 minutes with a vinegar run, and the freestanding option means no permanent install if you relocate. I set mine up under the bar in 20 minutes, filled the tank, and had my first batch in 12. Cubes clear, no cloudiness, bin chilled to keep them solid. Overall, it is effortless ice abundance that slots into your life like a pro bar, blending commercial capacity with home convenience for daily drips or event loads. I have been running this for a month, cocktail hours, family dinners, and a big July 4th party. And the recirc kept water fresh, cycles consistent, and the bin always stocked without a single jam. Now, pros and cons because real cool means the full scoop. On the pro side, the 100-pound daily output is party-proof. You never run dry, and the recirc system means no waste or refills every hour. Users go nuts for the fast 8-minute cycles and adjustable sizes that fit highballs or blenders, and the self-clean keeps it hygienic with zero elbow grease. Compact reversible fit freeze space, quiet hum blends into conversations, and at around $300, it is a steal for under-counter pro power. Reviewers love the viewing window for no guest scoops and how it chills the bin to prevent melting. Bottom line, it amps up hospitality, cuts bag budgets, and feels like a luxury without the label. The cons, fairly chilled, $300 bites for light sippers, though sales hit $250. The reservoir needs weekly tops for heavy use, and full bin pauses production, manual empty required. A few noted the door gasket softens in steamy kitchens, and it is not portable post-setup. For mega events over 100 pounds, it paces slower, and clean cycle requires vinegar stock. No smart alerts for low water, and freestanding vibrates slightly on uneven floors. These are minor melts in a frozen gem. So do I recommend the EUHOMY commercial under counter ice maker? You bet, especially if you host often, hate store runs, or want pro ice without plumbing drama. The pros like endless output and easy clean far outweigh the cons for home bars, families, or entertainers. It is a frosty friend that pays off in convenience. If that is your chill, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick shout out, if these ice insights got you buzzing, subscribe and turn on notifications for more kitchen cools. And click that affiliate link, it keeps the cubes coming at no extra cost to you. One last reminder, grab the EUHOMY commercial under counter through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this frosted your fancy, give it a like, share with a party planner pal, or subscribe for more. Stay cool.